Okay, so we are going to review the Hoover and the Dyson stick vacuum. The Hoover had probably for a couple months. It's the Impulse Multi-Floor Brush Roll. Now, the biggest problem with this is this roll right here gets hair in it constantly. Up in here, it gets jammed with cat hair all the way up through here until it completely jams where it goes into the cup, and multiple times throughout a vacuum you have to empty it all and dig out the parts that are all jammed. The Dyson, on the other hand, this is the, I don't know if you can see that, the V8 Animal. I've had this one for probably a month. No hair, and I have never cleaned it out. Oh, actually there's a teeny bit of hair in there, but never touched it. I've never had to clean out any of this, and you can see I've used it plenty. You just pull this guy and the bottom opens up and it dumps right out. So I would have to say the best bang for your buck is definitely going to be the Dyson, which I'm sure you're not surprised at, but the Hoover just does not do the job and takes way longer to use. So I'm going to show you how both of these work. First we'll start with the Hoover. And you can kind of see the lines made in the carpet here, but I'm more trying to show it picking up dirt, and I don't know if you can tell, but some places I definitely have to go over a couple times in order to pick it up, which is very much unlike the Dyson. Seem to pick up that little piece of paper well, but here at the end you'll see the problem. When you lift it up, it just kind of dumps dirt right back at you. And that's mostly because it gets jammed and it doesn't get all the way to the bin. The Dyson will have a much clearer line, especially on its max mode. You can feel it pulling up the carpet. But these lines in the carpet are my favorite. And the whole time you're vacuuming, you can hear the dirt just hitting the bin. It's so satisfying.